Position and direction. Direct translation of a point up, down and to the side. Translation means moving a point from one place to another. If the dot is translated 3 right, then it would move 3 squares to the right. If the dot is translated 3 right and 2 up, then it would move 3 squares to the right and then 2 up. The coordinates of the dot change when it's translated. They started as 2, 1, and when it was translated, they changed to 5, 3. Moving left or right changes the x coordinate, and moving up or down changes the y coordinate. Point A is translated 4 left and 3 down. What are the new coordinates? First, move the point 4 squares to the left. We need to count the squares carefully. Now we need to move the point 3 squares down. And now we need to find the coordinates of the new point. We read along the x-axis, then up the y. So the new coordinates would be 1, 2. Here's a rectangle ABCD. It's translated 2 right and 3 up. What are the new coordinates of A? We need to read the question carefully. We're given a rectangle, but we only need to translate the point A. First, we need to find point A. Then we need to move point A 2 squares right and 3 squares up. Now we have the new point A. We need to find the coordinates of the new point A. We read along the x-axis and up the y. It's 4, 8. How would you describe the translation from A to C? There are different ways to get from A to C. We could go this way. We could go this way. Or we could go something like this. We need to find the easiest way for the simplest translation. This is an easy way. So first we find the direction. First we're going up. Now we need to count the number of squares that we're going up. We're moving from 2 to 9. It's 7 squares. Then find the direction. We're going to the right. Now count the number of squares we're going to the right. We're moving from 2 to 7. We're moving 5 squares. So from A to C is 7 up and 5 right. Mary has translated from 3 left and 4 down to end up at A. What were the coordinates of her original starting point? We need to find the starting point, so now we need to work backwards. So we do the opposite translations. To get to A, the point was translated 3 left. So to get back to the start point, we translated 3 to the right. And again, to get to point A, it was translated 4 down. So to get back to the start point, we need to translate it 4 up. Now we can find the starting point of the coordinates. Only the direction changes, the number of spaces always stays the same. And the coordinates of the start point were 5, 7. Remember, translating left or right changes the x coordinate, and translating up or down changes the y coordinate. Count the number of squares carefully when doing translations, and read the question carefully because only some of the information may be useful. When finding the original point after a translation, we must do the reverse.